All right, let's go ahead and learn about this dependency right here. So let me first actually stop the application. There we go. So what I want you to do is to press Command, right? So press Command and then click on this artifact ID, Spring Boot starter.test. So let's go inside, and if I scroll down, so right here, you'll see that we have this dependencies, and basically inside these are all the dependencies needed for testing purposes. Now you see that right here we have Spring Boot starter, Spring Boot test, auto configure, JSON path, XML bind, and the one that I want to show you is this one right here. So org junit.jupyter. So basically this dependency brings in other dependencies such as JUnit Jupyter API and Jupyter params, as well as the engine, right? So basically it brings everything needed to work with JUnit 5. And if you want to learn more about JUnit and Mockito, I've got a separate course just for that. But if you don't know much about JUnit and Mockito, don't worry, because I'm going to show you step by step how this works. So basically with JUnit, so the architecture is as follows. You have the platform, so JUnit platform, and basically it's a platform that allows you to run the tests on the JVM. And then you have JUnit Jupyter, right? So this includes the programming and extension models for writing the actual tests. And then you have this one right here, and then you have finally this one, so org and then JUnit vintage. And basically this is more for backwards compatibility with JUnit 4. So we actually don't need this. And if I go back to our pom.xml, so that's why you see that there is an exclusion here, right? That's why we exclude it. So basically all we need is this guy right here to be able to launch and create our tests. And then we have, if I scroll down right here, we have Mockito, and then we have assert for J for assertions, as well as Hamcrest, Mockito core, and other Spring Boot artifacts. So there we go. So if you feel that you need more knowledge on how JUnit and Mockito work, go ahead and check my website where I've got a course just on that. But as I said, I'm gonna make things clear. But as I said, I'm gonna make things clear and easy for you to understand. So now that you know the dependencies needed for writing tests, right? So right here, so this dependency right here brings everything needed for unit testing and integration testing.